Hey guys, it's Lindsay from We Learn Daily, and I just want to give a quick intro to this segment, this series that is coming out, which is the Badass Makeup Lesson with Olena. And at first, I want to thank Olena for taking the time to sit down, work with me, be patient enough to teach me how to apply all this badass makeup. She is phenomenal at what she does, and so I am so lucky and happy that she agreed to do an episode with me. Go follow Olena on Instagram, OlenaMakeup. I can't even do it without laughing. So this is my makeup bag, just to give you a little bit of context, and I'll show you what's in my bag. I'm just gonna grab whatever's in here. Eyeshadow, and this is just, I wear brown, basic brown colors. So there's the exciting palette. Toothpaste, because you never know when you need some. This is just a brush that is for applying what I would call my eyeshadow eyeliner, because I'm too nervous to use a pencil or liquid liner. I did buy a pencil right around New Year's, and I used it one time, maybe twice, and I don't know, I didn't know how to apply it. So that is also what I learned from Olena. We have another brush. This is the eyeshadow brush that I use, and I learned from Olena that I'm not using it properly, so that's good. Speaking of my eyeshadow liner, this is just a basic drugstore. It's probably unbranded or whatever, but I've had it for longer than I even want to admit. I have no idea, it's been a long time. It's probably time to be replaced. I don't wear lipstick ever. I never can find a color I like. I think it makes me look old. But when I do need a little bit of color, I like Clinique makes this. I just found it. I know because I'm in 7th grade still. But no, Clinique is great. I have really sensitive skin, and I like this. It gives you just enough color. Moisturizing lip color balm. And that's about as adventurous as I get with makeup on a daily, regular basis. Powder brush. I do bare minerals. It's so messy. I don't know why I do it, but I've tried to be more mature with my powder, meaning careful of not getting it all over the bathroom. And for whatever reason, this Bare Minerals matte, I really like it. I don't know if it's the best thing to be using, but it doesn't make my skin break out, so that's good. Clinique, again. Before I bought the lip gloss, I used their mascara. So basic mascara, I really like this. I wear contacts. This is their Extension Visible. It's black. I like it. It's great. So this is my eyeliner that I bought at New Year's. I've only worn it twice, like I said. I'm still nervous, but Olena did teach me some tricks, so that was really great. And tweezers. There's usually nail clippers in here, but I must have taken them out first. That is the makeup bag. I just wanted to give you a little bit of context of what Olena was working with here. And so when you see me ask really weird questions, you're like, okay, I get it. She doesn't ever really wear this kind of makeup. I would love if you have any tips or recommendations or products that you use, you swear by, you've tested. I would love to know those, and I think everybody would. And there's tons of channels that do makeup, but I don't have time to go look at those. So just for selfish reasons, leave those in the comments, send me a message directly. And if you want help of a special event, or you just want to learn how to apply it, Olena is the perfect person to go to. She works locally, she's out in California, and I'm sure she's willing to travel or do something via Skype or whatever to teach you makeup application. And maybe you can learn a little bit from these videos as well. But I just want to show you guys, to be totally transparent with where I started, where I'm at, and maybe we'll do another episode where I actually go buy makeup and try to apply it now on my own. So that should be fun. Anyway, thanks for watching. Enjoy this segment series, and go follow OlenaMakeup on Instagram. See ya.